Welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country style cottage decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Imagine a cozy home filled with the warmth of natural wood, soft floral fabrics, and the gentle glow of candlelight. This timeless style captures the peaceful spirit of country living, simple, natural, and full of heart. In this video, we will explore how to bring that classic cottage charm into your home, from vintage furniture and floral prints to rustic accents and handmade touches. Whether you live in the city or the countryside, you can create a space that feels calm, welcoming, and beautifully nostalgic. So, grab a cup of tea, relax, and let's step into the cozy beauty of country style cottage decoration together. Here are some beautiful tips to help you create a warm and inviting country style cottage home. Embrace imperfection. Let your home feel lived in and natural, not overly styled. Slightly chipped paint, mismatched chairs, and weathered finishes add character. The beauty of cottage style is in its authentic charm and coziness. Add layered textures. Combine cotton, linen, wool, and crochet fabrics for depth and comfort. Use knitted throws, lace curtains, and rugs made of jute or seashell. Mix old and new. Blend antique finds with modern comforts. A vintage dresser beside a modern lamp looks wonderful. Use upcycled furniture and add new touches like neutral upholstery or light paint. Highlight natural light. Keep windows uncluttered to let sunlight in. Use shade or lace curtains instead of heavy drapes. Mirrors can reflect natural light and make small cottages feel bigger. Farmhouse details. Add shiplap walls, barn doors, or wooden ceiling beams if possible. Display vintage kitchen tools, old glass bottles, or metal watering cans as decor. Add a touch of greenery. Decorate with indoor plants like ferns, ivy, or lavender. Use terracotta pots or wooden planters for a rustic feel. Small herb curtains on the windowsill are perfect for kitchens. Warm entryway welcome. Use a wooden bench or a wicker chair near the door. Add a vintage coat rack, open baskets, and a floral welcome sign. Country-inspired scents. Add candles or diffusers with lavender, vanilla, or fresh linen scents. Distressed and vintage finishes. Choose furniture with own paint or faded wood. It adds that lovely time-worn look. Mix whitewashed wood with muted pastels like shades, blush, or cream. Decorate with everyday items. Display teacups, pottery, or vintage tins on open shelves. Practical yet pretty. Keep kitchenware visible. Wooden spoons, cutting boards, and enamel balls add country charm. Use wicker baskets to store magazines, knitting yarn, or blankets. Window and door accents. Frame windows with lace or floral curtains for a soft, romantic look. Paint doors in pastel or muted tones like dusty blue, pale yellow, or cream. Add wreaths made of dried flowers or herbs for an authentic country feel. Use reclaimed or rustic wood. Incorporate reclaimed wood beams, old shutters, or barn wood shelves. A rustic wooden dining table or coffee table becomes a warm centerpiece. Cozy corners and nooks. Create reading corners with a vintage armchair, crochet blankets, and soft lamp light. Country-inspired wall decor. Hang botanical prints, vintage farm signs, or embroidered wall hangings. Display plates or oven trays on the wall for a farmhouse feel. Add a large rustic clock or antique mirror as a focal point. Add crochet and handmade accents. Use crochet table turners, cushion covers, and curtains for soft texture. Rustic dining touches. Set the table with mismatched china, vintage glasses, and linen napkins. Use candles in mason jars or wildflower centerpieces for natural beauty. A wooden or gingham tablecloth completes the country charm. Add a romantic touch. Use fairy lights, candles, or soft floral fabrics for a dreamy, peaceful feel. Hang sheer canopies or lace bed curtains in the bedroom for old charm. Incorporate vintage perfume bottles, floral artwork, and antique jewelry boxes for feminine detail. Cottage style flooring. Choose wooden or laminated floors in warm tones like oak or pine. Add woven, jute, or floral rugs for softness and texture. Paint wooden floors in white or pastel shades. Look charming and vintage. Cottage-inspired walls. Use soft wallpaper with floral, tile, or checkered designs. For a rustic look, try wood paneling, shiplap, or whitewashed walls. Warm layered lighting. Combine ceiling lights, wall sconces, table lamps, and candles for a cozy glow. Choose lampshades with truffles, embroidery, or floral prints. Add lanterns or fairy lights to give your rooms a soft, magical touch. Seasonal touches. In spring, add fresh flowers and pastel linens. In autumn, decorate with dried leaves, pumpkins, and plaid blankets. During winter, use wool truss, candles, and pine-scented decor for warmth. Thanks for watching the video.